Hello friends, today's detail is a 2009 Dodge Ram. It actually came from an insurance pool and it recently had some body work done on it. It's a very nice pickup and the inside definitely needs some love, so we're going to give it that today. So I had the access to a water hose today, so I was able to do the floor mats a little differently, and they came out very nice. I was very pleased. I had to leave them hanging when I left today because the carpets inside the pickup were not dry, even though the floor mats were. But I didn't want any mold or anything to grow, so I figured it was best. The carpets were certainly a challenge. There was a lot of embedded dirt and debris in the carpets, so it took a little extra time in order to work some of that out. I actually had to leave some in there until I shampooed the carpets, which is what the owner wanted, so I was able to loosen up some with that process too. So when you know that your extractor wand is not going to fit underneath the seats in particular places, it's always best to still clean it up a bit. So one way to do that is to spray the carpet and then mop it up with a microfiber towel and then come back and vacuum. And it usually does a really good job of cleaning the carpet under those seats. So the doors were really, really dirty. The handles were obviously dirty, but as I got the steamer going, there was a lot of red dirt that started coming out, and so it was a long process to get it cleaned up. I actually started using Simple Green on it. It just seemed to get through all of the yucky. So the driver's area is where a lot of the hidden dirt started coming to light. The steering wheel was awful, and you'll see that here in just a minute. There was some cracks on the dash that I really could not get the dirt out, even though I did use the steamer and tried to use a brush. It just wasn't coming out. And also in the cracks of the door, the pockets in the doors, that was pretty rough too. I never did get it all out. So a little backstory on how I ended up with this detail. The new owner is actually a friend of mine, and her and I have known each other for many, many years. We go back to the trucking days, and so I had the opportunity to do this detail, and I was very proud of that. So thanks for that opportunity. And after a 7-hour workout, the pickup is done. And yes, it was a workout, but at least I know it's clean for her to jump in there and take off in a clean vehicle. And I got a chance to catch up with her dad, who I haven't seen in a long time. So it was a great day. If everybody will take a moment to like and comment and subscribe, I would love to have you. And I'll see you on the next video.